welcome back. Scott and I today are going to share with you our subscription. It's really my subscription that you got for me. When did you buy me this?
February, right before Valentine's.
And it just showed up the day before Mother's Day, so it's perfect. So we actually have a home decor subscription box called Free Spirit Bundle. So I don't have a subscription, and I was so excited when he subscribed for me so I could have my own subscription. But today is a test, because we might unsubscribe. I hope we don't have to, because I love supporting small business.
They have their flowers imported from South America. The United States government worked out a deal with South American drug dealers that if they would use their land to grow something other than drugs, the U.S. government would supplement the loss of income. So by purchasing flowers, they're making money from selling flowers. Instead of selling drugs, it's helping to keep drugs off, illegal drugs off the streets of the United States.
So, of course, we're all about that, and we love supporting other small businesses, but here's where I struggle. And I wanted this to truly be organic with you guys. I've shared a few times about Ballerina Farm. So this is my 4th box, and the first 3, they were all exactly the same flowers. So every month when you get this beautiful, which I love flowers so much, that's why it's like the best subscription. Pretty. They're beautiful.
They are beautiful.
But I guess like the surprise factor, like the I think that's what's so fun. I think about Free Spirit Bundle, our home decor box, the women don't know what they're getting unless you're watching someone unbox. So I'm hoping, because I really don't want to unsubscribe.
You just tell me when to pull it up.
You can pull it up.
You ready to see what's in there?
Honey, they're all going to be wrapped.
Drum roll, please.
He's never done this before. They're all wrapped. We can't tell yet.
They look just like this.
So it's actually a beautiful, like, I love that they teach you about the flowers. I'm all about, like, you know, the beautiful textures and different colors. But they actually give you wisdom to know what flowers are what.
They tell a little of their story. They give you some flower care.
But I'm just really hoping that they're all going to be a little different curation. Like, I'm okay getting a repeat of something, but so I'm already excited because they're not pink. So I love pink, but every curation since February has been pink. Pink, layers of pink. Ooh, okay, so this one has come every time, whatever this is, but I actually love that one. Okay, yay! So let's see what it is. Ooh, okay, so yes, I'm happy about this already because I was like, man, I don't want to just get all the same pink flowers again. And I know I've shared this, especially with some of my subscribers, like how great it is, which again, I still believe it's great, but getting the same 3 curations was like, oh, I didn't want to be disappointed because let's be honest, this is like a first world problem, right? Like, oh, I have a flower subscription. It's a blessing. So we did get pink, hot pink. So we got, just to tell you, we have 5 hot pink roses. It is a rose, right?
Yes, and you see that it wilts a little bit. As soon as we get it in fresh water, we trim these stems, they pop right back.
Yes, and truly, I don't know if it's just the farm that they raise these. Is that what it's called, a flower farm?
Yes.
The stuff lasts for at least a month. Like, I've never had fresh flowers last as long as my Ballerina Farm one. This is a delphinium trick pink.
Sorry, Eddie.
It's okay.
We fired him.
No, I don't want to because I love supporting other businesses. As a small business, it is hard. It is so hard. But I have gotten these exact ones ever. So, oh, they're not pink. It's so beautiful though. Like, that's why I'm like, how can I be disappointed in this? Because it is so pretty.
They are very pretty.
But I do like, I need to find those other purple ones. These are new. So let's look at these. Status Cinzo Lile. I don't even know how to say that. Oh, these are fun. Oh, I can tell these will last a long time.
Oh, okay. Those are kind of cool.
Yeah. Oh,
those
look
are very
how
rich.
yummy that is, guys.
They look like velvet.
That is gorgeous. So we have received this flower, but it was a light pink the last few months, and I love it.
Elegance purple.
That's beautiful.
Purple elegance.
Yay for the change up. What a beautiful color. They're very fragile. Clavel, baby lawn.
That's their version of the dandelion.
So silly.
Hey, Cat.
Cassidy, our middle child, we're hosting a home show tonight. Actually, I'm going to share a little bit of that with you guys. Yay! So stay tuned all the way to the end because I will be sure tonight to record some of her live music. She's written several original songs, and we're opening our home to have our first ever, what do you call it, Cac?
House show.
This guy, spray delphinium. So it's still a little better though because it is a variety. I have never gotten these, and I've never gotten those purple ones.
And you didn't get those delicate ones.
Yeah, so I got these, but they were always in pink. And I've gotten these, but they were also in pink. I think we have gotten these.
Full roses.
Those are beautiful. These are like a pinkish purple. Or am I seeing things?
No, they're pink.
Trying to like, I guess like I was expecting like yellow for summer or I don't know. So I feel bratty when I'm like, oh, it's pink every time. Maybe we try it for a year.
For 6 months.
Okay. These are gonna perk right back up. These are one of my favorites. I have received these every time, but I just think it's so beautiful. And they do stand up. Since we've experienced this and gotten these every time, we know. H-E-B-E-S.
Heebies.
Heebies?
Get the heebie-jeebies in this one right here.
Heebie-jeebie flower. Let's see it.
That's a heebie-jeebies.
Is that green?
It is green, Nate. Yes, our son is colorblind. Okay, this is actually very exciting. When we talked about curation, I said we never just get greens. So this is happy. We actually got green. This is a happy for me. This is happy. These are happy because they're different. And these, I just love them. What about this?
Let's see it.
It's another green. Love it. More greens. And this is more stems. So this to me makes me so happy because when you have all the flowers, filling it with the green really helps perk everything up. So I'm gonna get these in some water. Okay, I am going to definitely use these vases because my family will enjoy these all week. These usually have fresh flowers in them. They are part of some of my handmade wall art that I have over in the dining room area. So we're gonna freshen these up. And then I decided since it is Mother's Day tomorrow, I will fill this beauty for my mom. We're gonna fill this little guy for Cassidy for her room. This will be for Cac's bathroom. These were flowers I just cut from the yard because I didn't know this was coming. And I want to show a spoiler. If you are a Free Spirit Bundle subscriber and you don't want to see, stop the video. But if you love a spoiler, and maybe you'll forget anyway by the time it comes because it's only May, and this is something in the August bundle. And I was like, oh, I want to style this. I'm about to show you. Or actually, I don't have to show you yet. It's hiding back here. But I will be putting flowers in it. I am so happy about greens coming this quarter. A hot pink. I know I complained about the pink. It is very happy, but you know, I just love something new. And as much as I don't love the color yellow, for some reason yellow just like screams summer. I don't know how people don't love fresh flowers. I've heard that before, like, why do you buy flowers? They're just gonna die. I mean, who has, that's just sad. This is coming, you guys, in your August bundle. Now, you could use the whole thing for flowers. I'm gonna choose to put some flowers, a couple candlesticks, I think, and a votive candle there. So, just forget that you saw this. More, the merrier. Ballerina Farm, they truly, like, last. Oh, that's so happy. So now that I see it, I think I don't wanna repeat this guy, so I'm gonna cut him shorter. I love this little vessel. A little shorter. That looks awesome. Okay, we're gonna take a votive holder, which I actually have one that I use over there. This is a Free Spirit Bundle item, something you would find in Build Your Own Bundle. We are going to fill it with flowers. So cute. So in Lake Lure, where we love to go whenever we can, they have what's called Flower Bridge. It's just this beautiful bridge of all these different plants, beautiful flowers. And I'm like, someday when we live here, I'm gonna be a volunteer on the flower bridge. I'm totally gonna do that. We love the organic vibe of this guy for the table. So this is one of my handmade pieces, and they're all one of a kind. I actually have some of these for sale, which will be in Build Your Own Bundle at Free Spirit Bundle. But this was one of my first ever handmade pieces that I put in my Living Beyond Ordinary in my Free Spirit Bundle. For this, I want the green stems on it. So it needs something else. Now we will add these last two. Gorgeous. All right, I think that's it. I do want to show you guys this. So this is from my sweet friend Erica, who is actually on our Free Spirit Bundles team. She got me this for my birthday because she obviously knows how much I love flowers. It's a vase, but it's a book. So it says, a book about flowers, the mystery of growth. The mystery of growth, a book about flowers. I love this so much, and I found the book. Let's go give Cassidy her flowers and see how she's feeling about tonight's show. These are for you. How are you feeling about tonight?
Good? Yeah.
I'm so tired of all the same old problems running back and forth and I'm so sick of
Mistakes, thank y'all again so much for being.
why can't we just go back to how things used to be? But I'll just close my